Hello, in this video I want to show you how can you create a similar setup like this store on your Shopify store. So here, as you see, this store has two different options where it's like stone 1 and stone 2. So stone 1 is this stone and stone 2 is this smaller stone. And then they have also some common images which they are showing for all the selections. So basically what's happening here, they have many different combinations of stone 1 and stone 2, and whenever their visitors are clicking on these stones, basically what's happening is this setup is automatically showing them only what they are going to buy. So if they are clicking white here and blue, then they see exactly what they are going to buy without seeing all the other options, and they additionally see all the lifestyle photos as well, like which are same for all the other options. And yeah, I will basically show you how you can create a similar setup like this on your own store. So let's start. First of all, I created a similar product on my development store. So this is example store here with Horizon theme, and I created a smaller version of it. So I have just 4 colors here and like 4 different stones for the second, and yeah, and I have also these lifestyle photos as well to create a similar example. And yeah, to solve this problem, we are going to use a Shopify app. This app is built by my company, CraftShift. It's called Rubik, and we are going to use this app to create this setup. So let's start. First of all, we are going to select here a product inside Rubik app, and then we need to assign here stones. So first of all, we need to find all stone 1 red stones here. We are selecting all, and then we are selecting all green stones here. Nice. And then we are selecting all purple ones, and then we are selecting all blue ones here. So these pictures are going to be common, so I'm not selecting them here. So they will be visible for all. And now I'm selecting ones with the small red. Yeah, let's select this, and this. And then green ones, yeah, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And let's select ones with the purple second stone. Yes, and then let's select ones with the blue smaller stone. So, and now we can see on the right side already the intersection of all the images. So I can see for blue the right image is selected, for blue purple right image is selected. So basically for all variations, for all combinations of the stones, the right image is already selected here. So what we can do is to save here. And now we need to activate this on our theme. So we have Horizon theme here. We are clicking on enable on theme editor. And now on this page, only thing I need to do is to click on save button without doing anything. And then I can just close the tab. Now I click on I have done it. And now I can simply visit my page. So let's go and refresh the page. So now I see already the correct selection. So blue, first stone is blue, second stone is purple. Let's change it. Second stone is purple, red, and then blue, and then green, red. So yeah, you got the logic here. And now what I want to do also is to change visually this part as well, because as you see, here it's visually also showing all the stones here. So I want to achieve the same. So let's go back and let's enable that feature as well inside Rubik app. So we go to manage swatch settings, and here we are enabling the swatch. We just need to click again here, And again, on this page, only thing you need to do is to wait for this button to be activated and click on save. Now we can just close this tab and we can say check status, and now it's enabled. Here what we need to do is we should make sure to add our option names here. So our option name is stone 1. So we can actually delete all other options, and we just need stone 1 and stone 2 to be added, and this we want to be displayed visually. So we can save these parts. And we can also customize appearance, but let's first check it and then we can customize it a little bit. So this is how it's going to be shown by default. But again, in our original example, what we showed here is we want here custom images. We don't want these images are not part of our gallery, so we are going to set up that as well. But in case you like also this setup, this is also looks nice. They see exactly what they are going to buy and they can choose. But yeah, let's go and set up this differently. Okay, I'm going back here, and here I can click on this and select our product, and here I just need to assign images. So I click here on select file, and I can select this. For red, I'm going to select this and save. For green, I'm going to select this, save it. And purple, let's select our purple stone, yes, and save it. And let's select blue and save it as well. And now we need to do same for stone 2 as well. So red, you can also have like different images also. This is, in my case, it's just same images, but it could be like smaller version of that stone also could be possible to add. So that's depends on your case totally. So let me select purple here, purple, save, and blue. We are using Metaobjects here, so this is called Metaobjects, so that's also a cool technology Shopify allows us to use. So I'm going to show you now how it looks like. So I'm going to refresh this page, and yes, I already see the stones. So if I click on red, blue, I select here, but let's now change also the shape of this part. Because we want to make it circle, right, and make it a little bit smaller. So let's go back to here, swatch settings, and we can customize appearance. We can also show when people are going over our product, we can show tooltips. That's also possible. And let's make it like we can do it rounded or circle, and then we can change the size. We can make it a little bit smaller, and let's save it so far and let's see the results. So it's, yeah, it looks exactly as an original store. So now let's just do blue, 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 reds, blue, green, purple, green, red, green, and this is how exactly customers are going to see this. As you see, like you can make different advertisements and you can land people on this specific page, and they see this clean page with this clean setup. Yeah, this basically will help you a lot with increasing conversion rate, and also it's going to decrease return rates because they see exactly what they are buying without any distractions. So that's also the nice addition to your store. Yes, that's it. That's how simple it is to set up a page like this. And if you have any questions, please let us know. You can reach out to our support, and I'm also happy to help you personally. And have a great day.